Click on the Booksmart app icon to open it. The app will ask you to select the app language. Scroll down to see the complete list. Pick from one of the available languages and click Continue. Click on Accept. The app asks to access your device location. Pick the option you're most comfortable with. You can also access books without an account, though that comes with several restrictions, such as not being able to save books to read later. If you already have an account with any of the provided options, you can use it to sign in. If not, click on Continue with Email. Click on Create a new account. Type in a unique username. It can be whatever you want it to be. Set a unique password. If you get an error, pay attention to the password requirements. Add your email address and click Continue. Pick an avatar. Your choice will not affect the books available to you. Then click Continue. Answer the questions asked. If you want to find books for yourself, answer based on your preferences. Click on Continue. If you want the app to send you notifications, click on Allow. And that's it. You've registered with Booksmart. Explore the app and get to know its features. You can learn how to use these apps and more by watching the relevant training videos on the Unity website. Thank you.